हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल विनय सर मैथ क्लासेस में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। बच्चों, हमने लास्ट टाइम वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कुछ क्वेश्चन क्लास 10th मैथ्स के एनसीईआरटी। आज उसी एक्सरसाइज के कुछ क्वेश्चन लेकर हम आए हैं। हमने लिया हुआ है एनसीईआरटी मैथ्स एक्सरसाइज 5.2 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फाइंड द मिसिंग टर्म इन द बॉक्सेस। इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में काफ़ी बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन होता है। मिसिंग टर्म बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट गिवन एनी टर्म, जिसमें कुछ दिया नहीं है, ओनली बॉक्सेज इज गिवन। यू कैन सी आई हैव टेकन 2 क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट वन 2 blank box 26, only 3 terms has given this question. In second question, box blank box 13, again blank box and comma 3. So you can see there's 2 question, first and second. So you can see in these 2 question nothing has given except this condition. As you know that for getting any terms we need A or D. So now let's see how can we solve such type of problem. Let's see. In this question, as you know that it is first term, it is second term, it is third term. So first term, second term, third term. In last video I have told you we will represent first term by small a. Okay, that means A1, you can say A1 or A. So you can say it is A. What will be this? It is second term, it is third term. The last video I already told you A. A2, that means A1 or A, same. Now A2, what do you mean by A2? So, as you know that whenever we added D with first term, that means you can say D is added with first term, then we will get second term. That means A2 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. But here we don't know what is the D. We don't know what is value of D. So leave it. Now this value is given 26. What is 26? A3. As I have written A plus D is equal to A2, that means place of A2 we can write A plus D. So we can write place of A3 A plus 2D. Every time we will add a D for getting successive term. आगे के टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए हम बैक टर्म्स में डी ऐड करते जाते हैं, क्योंकि कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आएगा तो कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करते जाएंगे, हमको सक्सेसिव टर्म्स मिलते जाते हैं. तो वी कैन राइट A3 इक्वल टू A प्लस 2D. इन दिस क्वेश्चन देयर वैल्यू इज गिवन. व्हाट? A plus 2D is equal to 26 is given. Okay, A1, 2 are A same. So place of A we can put 2. 2 plus 2D 26. So we can write 2D is equal to 24. This 2 has transferred the back side, so we get 2D is equal to 24. So now you can say 2D is equal to 24. So we can write D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12. So you can say for this question I got D is equal to 12. Okay, now I need this value. So it has A2, so we can write A plus D. That means A 2, D is 12. So you can 14. So you can say this box is equal to 14. That means you can say 2, 14, comma 26. Now you can write 2 plus 14, comma 26. So that means this in this box we can fill 14. Okay. Now in this question, second question. In first question only one box is given. In second question 2 boxes given. So let's see how we'll solve this question. This 4 terms A1, A1, A2, A3, A4. Don't confuse between A1, A2, A3, A4 amongst are T1, T2, T3, T4. In some books T1, T2, T3, T4 is given. So don't confuse amongst A1, A2, A3, A4 are T1, T2, T3, T4. All things are same. Now here you can see A has not given. Second term is given. That means you can say A2 is equal to 13. To place of A2 we can write A plus D is equal to 13. Let's see, we can write it is first equation. Second, third term has not given. Fourth term has 3. That means A4 is equal to 3. So we can write A plus 3D is equal to 3. It is second equation. It is second equation. So now this way I got two equations. Now we will solve this two equation. How? By elimination method. In chapter linear equation in two variable, we have already discussed there are different methods for solving this equation, but we will always apply, maximum time apply linear equation, we will maximum time apply elimination method. So for elimination we will eliminate any variable. So for elimination A we will write subtract, sign change, all sign has changed, so it will be cancelled. Minus 3D plus D minus 2D is equal to 10. So we can write D is equal to, this minus is transfer, to 10 upon minus 2 minus 5. D is minus 5. Put this value in equation 1 or 2 anywhere, but we will put equation number 1 from equation 1. A plus D is equal to 13. So A place of D minus, we will write minus 5. So we can write A is equal to 18. So by this way we got first term is 18. That means we can say first box is equal to 18. Now what will be value of this one? It is third box, third terms. So A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So we can write A. A is, what is A? 18. D plus 2 into minus 5. So 18 minus 10, we got 8. So you can say this box is equal to 18 and this box is equal to 8. So we can write 18 first box fill, 13, 8 second box and 3. So by this way we can find missing terms in AP series. Okay. So first we will write whatever given in the question, we will write by mathematical significance and we will apply suitable method and we can get the answer. Okay. So by like this way you can solve the question. If you have any doubt you can talk my number, and thank you so much.